Title: Greeting, the art of warm welcome. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word greeting. A greeting is a friendly and polite expression, often verbal, used to welcome or acknowledge someone. It signifies the art of extending a warm welcome and creating positive social interactions. Pronunciation: pronouncing greeting is simple, ɡriːtɪŋ, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, a warm greeting can set the tone for a pleasant conversation and create a sense of belonging and connection. Importance: greetings are essential in our daily lives as they enhance communication, strengthen relationships, and promote a sense of community. Conclusion: in summary, greeting is a word that represents the friendly and welcoming gestures that enrich our social interactions. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, embrace the power of greetings in making the world a friendlier place.